Hello all, I am Adam. I am the transplanted Vermonter. I wanted to make a video and show you a storm coming in and maybe some scenery from my beautiful way home from between Burlington or Winooski and Essex Junction. I'm on my way home. I think storms are really cool. There's going to be, I just saw some cool lightning in the background, and I want to show you. I love the sound of thunder. But in any case, I will show you. I do like rainstorms, and I thought that you might like it too. Remember to like and subscribe.